back to the talk show, the Glick Talk Show, where you ask and we answer. Stop! That's my line!
I just got it.
And today we have questions. We have more questions because of all of you.
Thank you!
All 4 of you. Just kidding. Okay, so we got 4 questions. Hey, it's my turn. Ow! Okay. So the first question is, how much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Well, it's kind of like the question, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, Peter Piper picked a peck of kibble peppers, how many peppers did Peter Piper pick?
Kibble peppers.
Yeah, kibble peppers. Kibble peppers, Gabe!
Kibble peppers.
Kibble peppers! Not pickled peppers, kibble peppers! Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, how many peppers did Peter Piper pick? Got it? Good! So the answer is, see, woodchucks, they don't really show themselves much, so they actually have a pretty good job. And so you see, when beavers make their dens, they don't make it on their own. That's stupid. You really think they can drag all that from the forest over? It's so much easier to have a woodchuck. So the beaver cuts down the tree, and he chops it up in little sections. Then he goes, "Hey, woodchuck! Woodchuck, get over here! I need you!" "What? I need you!" "Ow! For what?" "The only thing you're used for!" "Ow!
Chucking
Ow,
wood.
right over! I need you now!"
Chucking wood.
So then he comes over, he's like, "I need you to throw!" "I know what I'm doing, stop yelling at me!" So then they yell at each other a lot. That's what beavers and woodchucks do. It's kind of like me and you, we yell at each other. So the beaver goes over to where the den would be, gets all ready. Then the woodchuck gets ready, and he chucks his wood, just chucks it like that. Just grab, chuck. Now, I've heard he can get a tree thrown in a little less than a minute. I don't know what tree, but I just know he chucks a lot.
Chucking, I thought you meant like chucking it in your arm and running.
No, he chucks it just over his shoulder. Just like that. And then when he's done, he goes back in hiding. And then maybe another beaver will need him and he'll just yell at the other woodchuck. Ah! So that's how it works. I don't have a precise number, like how much could he chuck. Depends on what time frame he needs to get it done in. If he needs to get it done in the short time, he'll get it done in the short time. If he needs to take his time, he can take his time. It really depends on how much time he has. So, next question, Gabe is going to read off and answer, because I answered mine.
If you drop a bar of soap on the floor, is the floor clean or is the soap dirty?
Man, my cursive was that bad, huh?
Yeah.
Or that good. Okay, so I'll repeat that?
Yeah.
Okay. If you drop a bar of soap on the floor, is the floor clean or is the soap dirty? Okay.
Well, that depends on the soap. The soap, is it dry or is it wet? If it's wet, the floor is going to be clean and the soap is going to get dirty. Now, if it's hard, well, if it's a bar of soap and that, and it's dry and it hits the floor, it's gonna get a little dirty, but the floor will stay dirty because it's like a rock. Now, liquid soap, it gets smeared everywhere.
Yeah. So that's the answer for that one, I suppose. Oh, and I've heard slippery soap, if you just drop that on the floor, you don't want to drop it. Slippery soap, you always want to have hold of it, otherwise it's going to be like picking back up wet.
It's like a type of Jello thing though. You try to pick
Yeah,
it
it's
up,
like
but
Jell-O.
it slips back. But it slips back out of your hand.
It's like when you're trying to cut wet meat.
Mom, I'm missing a finger!
Just like that. Okay, so next is, what do dogs say when they bark? You see, I chose what questions I get because I get to yell a lot. I hate yelling, by the way. So it depends on what the dog wants. Okay, so like you're playing fetch with the dog, and you always tease it because it's hilarious. Hey, you want the stick? Give me that stick, please.
It's a drum stick, not just a stick.
I don't care.
It's a drum
Pretend
stick.
like I broke it off the tree. Hey, you want a stick? You want a stick? You want a stick? go throw the steak. And he goes and gets it. And then he takes it, he brings it back, and you try and take it, and he's going, and he won't let you have it. Well, it seems like fun and all, but he's really, when you're like, give me the steak, and he's going, give me the steak! I just want the stick! Stop playing with me! Give me a stick! So then you throw the stick.
Give me a
stick. And he gets the stick. And of course you have to call to him to come back. But he's going, I don't want to come back to you! No! You're just gonna take the stick from me! I just want the stick! He goes back to you, and you try and take the stick, and he's going, no! No! Not again! And you take the stick, and he's like, wow!
What about balls?
Same thing. You want the ball? You want the ball? Just give me the ball!
What about tug of war?
Tug of war. You're not having this! Who's mine?
What about rub my belly?
Rub my belly.
Rub the belly.
Rub my belly, they're going, rub my belly. Just rub it. Yeah, I love it. Hey, where are you going? You're not done rubbing my belly. Where are you going?
What about cats? What about rubbing their belly?
Sure, rub my belly. Don't rub my belly. I'll bite your fingers off. And dogs, when they want their food, you give them the food and they just eat the food. So it really depends on what you're doing with the dog. Kind of like the woodchuck. It just depends. Like when he's outside, when the dog's outside in the cold. It's winter and your dog's out there, just looking in the window, watching you drink hot chocolate, and he's just sitting there, sad. He's really going, let me in, or I will murder you! You see, dogs aren't super cute. You know, the little wiener dogs? They're going, I will bite your toes off! I can see them perfectly! Oh, the little poodles! They're going, they see you at a carnival. You know, you're leading them at the carnival. And they walk past the cotton candy machine. Brother! No!
Oh.
Don't put him on the stick and eat him! Ah! Stop knocking!
Go away, human!
Oh.
Oh, I have to say goodbye for now.
Okay.
You did it wrong, you moved it!
Oh, hey. It's still good, it's good.
I'll
Yeah,
fix it. Yeah, your head is like
No,
gone.
that's because I'm standing.
Now sit down.
Anyway, hello everybody again.
Sorry for the delay.
I was gone for 2 hours. Hold on.
Because David called.
It's now dark. Yeah, David called, so duty calls!
Not that type of duty.
No, not literally, Gabe. Not. I didn't need to go that. Okay, so where'd we leave off? Oh yeah, the poodle and the brother.
Here.
Okay, so we're on the next question. Gabe,
You read it. I can't read it.
next time I won't write the questions in cursive because cursive's so good you can't read it.
Yeah.
I hope. Okay, so where, other than Area 51, are they hiding the aliens?
Oh, I know this one. Well, the government with the aliens, they give the aliens that aren't condemned in Area 51. They give it to random people, and if the random people take care of it. And if those random people tell another random person, the government finds them and kills them. You probably saw the second or so.
We need to quit this.
Yeah.
For the good. Okay, well, that does for, right now. Yeah, well, goodbye, everybody. Bye.